See the next sum, students. Model 3. 4 sides and one angles. 4 sides and one angle. Construct a quadrilateral MATH M with MA equal to 4 cm, AT equal to 3.6 cm, TH equal to 4.5 cm, MH equal to 5 cm, angle A. This one how like want to read there angle. This symbol meaning is angle A equal to 85 degree. Also find its area. So put in the box neatly and using the pencil and draw. Given value, what is that given? You write MA equal to 4 cm, AT equal to 3.6 cm, TH equal to 4.5 cm, MH equal to 5 cm, angle A equal to 85 degree. How to draw the rough diagram? See there, this is the rough diagram. Now you draw a line. Small is a rough work for you draw the line MATH, right? So A value equal to A is 85 degree is acute angle. How to there? Here suppose you keep in the productor 85 degree is below 90 degree. So come the angle very smallly. So keep the productor. This side go means bigly come obtuse angle. So this side left side only want to measure in 85 degree. That next draw the line. Next finish the figure. MATH, right? After MA value equal to 4 cm, AT value equal to 3.6 cm, TH value equal to 4.5 cm, MH value equal to 5 cm. First you draw in MA equal to 4 cm. See there is 0 point to keep in one point. Next 4 straightly keep in one point. Join this line. This is what is that value? M and A. You write the value equal to 4 cm. Next keep the productor in A point. How do they want to keep in the productor? You see here have in that line or not joining line. This is one point. Here A also one point. This point and this point want to coincide there. See how do they keep in the productor? You see there. See there, I zoom and see that one. Wait, this is the point. This point here want to move and keep there. This move after these two lines also want to coincide. There 180 degree one line and already the inside one line. Two line also want to inside coincide. What degree want to measure there? 85 degree. So this side take means that bigly coming obtuse angle. 85 degree is acute angle. So you measure in 85 degree. Where have in 85 degree? This is 80, 80 after 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Fifth line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 85 degree. Keep in the point. Keep after bigly want to draw. This line is what is the line? X. This is put in the arrow mark. You write in X. Here having 85 degree. So here also you write in small angle like draw that one and 85 degree want to write. Next work T to what centimeters are given? 4.5 centimeter. You measure it. Sorry, then before A to 3.6 centimeter. See that one 0 to keep and first to come in 3. Next 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 3.6 line. 3 and 4 between 5. 3.5 next line 3.6. So this measurement A point to keep and cut it the arc. This coming point is what is the point? T point. Here write in 3.6 centimeter. 3.6 centimeter. Next 4.5 you measure there. 4.5. T point to keep in the compass and cut it the arc. This and all must use in the compass. Here use in the productor scale. Next 5 centimeter. M point to keep and cut it the before arc. This one some not come no, so again keep in the T point and cut it the arc. This point is what is the point? H. This two arc also meeting point is H. You join in H and T. Next you join in M and H. Okay, right after here what centimeter is the writing there? 4.5 centimeter. Here 5 centimeter. Next all the one complete after MATHS right or not, measurement and right or not check. Which one is there not to have? Diagonal line not to have. Must you draw the diagonal. Why? That formula for having the D value. So must you join in that. Simply you join. No need to measure now. Simply join after only you want to measure. Okay, now this is what is the value? D value. D equal to how much there want to find. So you measure the length there. 5 centimeter. D value equal to 5 centimeter right there. Next you find in the height. Keep in the scale here using the set square and do it the work. See there, tightly keep and H point up. You see the H point come after you take the scale. H point come after you remove the scale and keep press tightly and join this line. This one H1. Next this side keep and you measure that one. A point come after you remove the scale and draw the line. Dotted line. This is H2. Perpendicular must line want to draw. You measure this length. What is the value? 4 centimeter. 3.9 centimeter. H1 value equal to 3.9 centimeter. H2 value equal to 2.8 centimeter. So area of the quadrilateral. Area of the equal to 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus H2 square units. 1 by 2 into D value equal to 5 centimeter. H1 value equal to start the bracket 3.9 plus H2 value equal to 2.8 centimeter. So centimeter squared you write. 1 by 2 into 5 into these two also add 3.9 plus 2.8 equal to 6.7 centimeter squared. These two number also divide and write means 2.5. 67 into 25 multiple and write. 65 and 67 into 25 multiple and write. 5 7s are 35 remaining 3. 30 plus 3 33 14 remaining 1 13 1675. So answer equal to 16.75 centimeter squared. Point after one number, here point after one number, so point after 2 digit must need the write it that one. This one right after must write in the construction also there. See there, draw the straight line and write. So what is the work and all completed first? You first draw a line 4 centimeter, here to 85 degree you take after, here to cut in 3.6 centimeter. Cut after T2 you cut in 4.5 centimeter, measure in compass and cut it the arc. Here to cut in the arc equal to 5 centimeter, join this line. Here not to have the diagonal for you draw simple line, then only you want to measure and D equal to 5 centimeter. Height H value equal to 3.9 centimeter, here H2 value equal to 2.8 centimeter. These two value also write it here and multiple. D equal to 5 centimeter, H1 equal to 3.9 centimeter, H2 equal to 2.8 centimeter. fair diagram. Next sum, the same model, one angle 1 2 3. So here given in PQ equal to, third sum, PQRS, PQ and equal to QR equal to 3.5 centimeter. So PQ value equal, PQ value also 3.5 centimeter, QR value also 3.5 centimeter, RS value equal to 5.2 centimeter, SPV value equal to 5.3 centimeter, angle Q equal to 120 degree. So whatever they're given, you write it first there. Q, PQ, QR. So separately I am write PQ equal to 3.5 centimeter, QR equal to 3.5 centimeter. 2 times write. Why? 2 equal symbol is there. Want to write in 1 by 1. RS value equal to 5.2 centimeter, SP value equal to 5.3 centimeter, Q value equal to 120 degree. Next you draw the rough diagram. First you draw the line first. PQ. Rough diagram is important there. PQ equal to what the right term? 3.5 centimeter. Next Q value equal to what is there given? 120 degree. He keep the product 120 degree this side want to come or this side 120 degree is obtuse angle. So right side only want to measure. So simply you draw here 120 degree for some bigly draw the line. Then only you draw the rough diagram. PQRS. Q value equal to here 120 degree. R value equal to QR value equal to 3.5 centimeter. Next RS value equal to 5.2 centimeter. SP value equal to 5.3 centimeter. So this diagonal for not have the diagonal for, you draw the diagonal here you write. First you measure in how much centimeter there? 3.5. So see there here 1.3 after 1 2 3 count and 3.5 join this line. PQ equal to 3.5 centimeter. Q to keep in the productor. How do they keep this point and this point also want to coincide, the Q point to come coincide the line also. So tightly keep in the productor 90 degree. This is 100 degree, 110 degree, 120 degree. This side only want to measure. This is very very important. After you want to join the 2 points also bigly want to join there. Okay, join after there you write in X you write. What the write here? X. This is what degree there? 120 degree. The same side also how much degree centimeter also they are given? 3.5 centimeter. Measure scale and find it there. So 3.5 centimeter, 0 to keep and 3 after 3.1, 3, 4, 5 here. 3 and 4 between you want to measure and keep in the compass in Q point and cut it the arc. Come this point is, what is the point there? R point. What is the point? R point. Very carefully want to keep that. Here to how much centimeter? 5.2 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter. Okay, here to you measure and cut it the arc. R point to cut it the arc. Okay, next here to cut the arc equal to 3.5 centimeter. See there how to the measure, see 3.5 keep in the P point and cut it the arc. This point is, what is the point there? S point. Join these points, 2 points also. RS you want to join. Next PS also want to join. Join after here you write it 5.3 centimeter. 5.3 centimeter. Here you write in 5.2 centimeter. This line simply join and find in the height for H1, H2 for join this line. Next keep the scale here, use in the set square. See there, tightly press and here key Two line also want to coincide. There you keep there. S point come after. You take in the scale and the dotted line. So here you put in the box H1 equal to how much? Measure the H1 equal to 3 centimeter. What is the value there? 3 centimeter. Now H2 value want to find. Q point come after, take it this one, join this line. H2 equal to measure this length. 1 after 1.567, 1.7 centimeter equal to 1.7 centimeter. Now D value also want to find there. D equal to 6 centimeter. D full value equal to 6 centimeter. Now D value equal to 6 centimeter. H1 value equal to 3 centimeter. H2 value equal to 1.7 centimeter. This value substitute here. 1 by 2 into D value equal to 6. H1 value equal to 3 plus 1.7. So 3.0 you write, 1.7 add and write 4.7 is the bracket number value. 1 by 2 into 6 into 4.7 centimeter square. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. 3 into 4.7 multiple and write 4.7 into 3. 4 7s are 21, 7 3s are 21, remaining 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 equal to 14, 14.1 centimeter square. Construction there. Whatever I am doing, the write it the construction. This is one model. Which model this one? Model 3. Model 3 is now complete. Model 4. 3 sides and 2 angles that are given in mind. MI equal to 3.6 centimeter, ND equal to 4 centimeter, MD equal to 4 centimeter, angle M equal to 50 degree, angle D equal to 100 degree. What is that given here? Right here. Rough diagram. First MI you draw 3.6, MI ND draw after. Here M equal to 50 degrees acute angle, here to going for 100 degrees obtuse angle. This side you measure in 4 centimeter. Here to you measure in 4 centimeter and draw the line. First how to I draw, see there. First you measure in 3.6 centimeter MI. 0 to keep first point. 3 after small line count. 1, 3.2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two line also you join. This is M. Here you write in MI equal to 3.6 centimeter. Next work, here to measure in 50 degree. Which side to measure in 50 degree? M to you measure in 50 degree. See the coincide the point correctly. Here keep in the point. What degree there? 50 degree. Right side only want to take. Where you keep the product, that to measure in acute angle. Left or right ask. Right side means acute angle. Left side, now this product are keeping for left side is the obtuse angle. 50 degree take after. You draw the line X. Here you write in X. Next work, here to which centimeter the writing? 4 centimeter. Measure in compass from 4 centimeter and cut it the arc. Compass to measure in 4 centimeter and cut it the arc. M point to keep and cut the arc. Coming point is, what is the point? D point. This is how much centimeter there? 4 centimeter. Next, keep the product in D point and measure in what degree there? 100 degree. Here keep which line to keep, this line to keep in the protector. This line also want to coincide there. What degree want to measure there? 100 degree. See there, here 90 degree, here 100 degree keep in the point. 80 degree not 100 degree, here only have obtuse angle. So this line how to I am draw, see that D point to keep the scale and draw the line. This line is, what is the line? Y line. Here you write in 100 degree. Right after this side you measure and cut it, the R equal to 1 centimeter there, 4 centimeter. How much centimeter there? 4 centimeter and cut it there. Coming this point is, what is the point? N point. This N and I you join simply enough there. Okay, first work is 3.5 centimeter, 6 centimeters take and draw the line. Here to 50 degree want to measure. Measure after, here to again you cut it, the arc equal to 4 centimeter, coming point is D point. Next here to keep the protector. How like keep the protector? You see here to keep and 900 degree want to measure. They are given in 100 degree. Here only have in the 100 degree. There see keep in the point. Take the protector and D point to join the line. This line is quickly want to draw Y you write. Here to again you cut it, the arc equal to 4 centimeter. They are writing ND equal to 4 centimeter for you write. This N and I line you simply join enough. Next you want to find in the height. Okay, how to find in the height? You see that these two line you join, ID line you join. This is the diagonal height for formula for they are given in the D for you want to find in the diagonal. This one how much that you measure there? Correctly 3 after 3.2. Now D equal to 3.2 centimeter, right? This is correct. First D value equal to 3.2 centimeter. Next keep in the protector and scale and set square you find in the height. See there coincide this line, come tightly keep N point come after you take the scale and draw the line. N2 you draw the line, small dotted line. This is what centimeter? 2.4, 2.567. Now H1 value equal to 2.7 centimeter. Next H2 value. See there ma. This one H2 value. This 2 also measure that one. 3.3 centimeter. H2 equal to 3.3 centimeter. Now H1 value equal to H1 value equal to 2.7 centimeter. H2 value equal to 3.3 centimeter. Substitute that value. 2 also add 6.0. 0 is no variable. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are cut. 3.2 into 3 you multiple and write. Get it the answer equal to 9.6 centimeter. Next model 5. 2 sides and 3 angles. AG, RI, AG equal to 4.5 centimeter. Whatever they are given, see there. All the one write in solution for a rough diagram. You write and draw rough diagram. Now AG equal to how much centimeter? See there, simply draw the line. A G R I, agree is over. AG value equal to 4.5 centimeter. AG value equal to 4.5 centimeter. Next G2, how much degree want to measure there? 110 degree. GR value equal to 3.8 centimeter. A equal to 60 degree. Next R equal to 90 degree. This all the one. How much two sides and three angles also they are given. How to do the sum? See there. First you measure in 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. How to I draw the rough diagram? Same like only want to draw the your fair note for also one, right? Now AG equal to 4.5 centimeter. Next work, G2 you measure in 100 degree. G2 why this side only having the length for cutting the arc for must need. So correctly keep and coincide that line or not check. After how much degree want to take there? 110 degree is obtuse angle want to come in big side. You write it here X. Right after here to cut the arc also 3.8 centimeter. Three 3.8 centimeter. Come the point is what is the point? R point. Already they are given in 110 degree for you keeping the point should not consider. Now cut the arc to the arc and line coincide that point only. What is the point? R point. Here you write in 3.8 centimeter. Here you write in 110 degree. Next work, here to measure in 90 degree. Here to measure in 90 degree. Here to measure in 60 degree. So keep the product how like that keep there. See this line and this line also want to coincide in the R point. R point correctly keep there. Correctly have after you keep in the 90 degree here. Correct. This is what degree there? 90 degree. This line also you bigly join there. This point and the R point. 90 degree line and R line you write this. So one is what is the one? Z. Here X there Z. Here too you take in the 60 degree. This one you bigly you draw. This one you write in Y. The two lines also meeting this point only. What is the point? I point. Here what degree? 60 degree. Here what degree there? 90 degree. 90 degree only. How to the measure one time? See there this point and this R point want to coincide the line. Correctly keep that one after you draw. 90 degree must want to measure there. This line bigly wanted a 60 degree also want to draw. So now all the work is completed after find in the height. So which side? Any side also you draw and write. I am drawing this side only. This is what is the value you only want to draw. Simply draw no length. This is the diagonal value. D equal to how much you measure the 6.9 centimeter. 6.9 centimeter. Next you measure in the height. H1, H2. Coincide the line and this point come after take the scale. Here too you put in the line there. Okay, now here too you put in the box. How much length there? See 0 there. Here measure in 2.567. H1 equal to 2.7 centimeter. Okay. Now next this side you keep in the scale. 2.3 centimeter. Now D equal to 6.9 centimeter, H1 value equal to 2.7 centimeter, H2 value equal to 2.3 centimeter. Now write it that one, area of the quadrilateral, area of the equal to 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus H2 square units equal to 1 by 2 into 6.9 into H1 value equal to 2.7 plus 2.3 centimeter square. 2.7 plus 2.3 add and write 10, 5, this 0 is no valuable. 1 by 2 into 6.9 into 5 centimeter square. Now this 2 you strike out 2.5. 6.9 into 2.5 centimeter square. Multiple and write there. 69, 25. Equal to 17.25 centimeter square. Now quadrilateral is completed, that this is a quarterly portions for quadrilateral. Okay, all the sum I send it the PDF without mistake, write in the construction also. Whatever you doubt, you ask me, I clear your doubt.